You are able to see the screen, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, yes. Yes, screen and I can see you also, Mataji. It is recorded.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So before we start the class, please let us take the blessings of the beautiful deities of ISKCON Mangaluru, Sri Sri Radha Govinda Ji. Sri Sri Radha Govinda Ji ki Jai. Okay. This is the synopsis of chapter 9. So before we go into this, I mean, like all this will be, okay. So what is going to be covered in chapter 9? So the chapter 9 is basically about pure devotional service, and it's Ananya Bhakti, like without any material desires, pure Bhakti. So in chapter 8, Krishna has explained that an Ananya or unalloyed devotee surpasses the path of light and darkness, right? He's beyond all that. So now Krishna will explain how to become that Ananya Bhakti devotee. He will tell that in chapter 9. And we'll also see supremacy of Bhakti. So, like chapter 8, it concludes that Bhakti is the best form of yoga. Okay, we told that even Karma Yoga or Jnana Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga all have to finally culminate or end in Bhakti Yoga. Okay, so that's the best. So in chapter 9, it supplies the specific knowledge required for performing the most confidential yoga. Okay, and chapter 7 and 9 are identical. Chapter 7 and chapter 9 are virtually identical. Why? Chapter 8 can be seen as a tangent in the conversation between Krishna and Arjuna, clearing up some important points before continuing on. So what will be covered in chapter 9? Chapter 9 is called the most confidential knowledge, right? So because we are talking only about Ananya Bhakti, pure devotional service, right? Without any other material desires. Only to please Krishna, to love Krishna. That's all. So, in this chapter, we'll cover hearing about Krishna, what are the qualifications and disqualifications, Aishwarya Gnana, Krishna's Achintya Beda relationship with the material world, and non worshippers and worshippers. Krishna is the supreme object of worship and the glories of directly worshipping Krishna. Okay, so we do that. So in chapter 9, it is divided into 5 parts. Today we'll see 9.1 to 9.3, Mataji. So because a lot of points are covered, very, very important points, and a lot of points are there. So we'll just do only 9.1 to 9.3 today. Okay, that is hearing about Krishna, qualifications and disqualifications. And remaining we'll see in the next class. So we'll start with 1 to 3. So hearing about Krishna, qualifications and disqualifications. So from 1 to 3, we'll see non-enviousness. What are the qualifications or and disqualifications? So disqualification is non-enviousness. Qualification is non-enviousness. You should not be envious of Krishna. Then only you can hear the confidential knowledge about Krishna. And we'll see in shloka number 3 how faith is very important in bhakti. And faithlessness forces one to birth and death. So we'll see shloka wise. Okay. Mataji, can you please read the shloka and translation, please, Mataji? Mataji, I think you're on mute. Mataji, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Oh, okay.